big race is almost on, Enrique. What?
Arriba!
Hello?
Yes, hello?
My TV turned off and the big race is on soon.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
No.
Try that.
Okay, I will. Goodbye.
Bye.
No, it did not work.
I'll be over there in a sec.
Okay.
Bye.
Goodbye. Well, that was fast.
Yes, I'm Repairman Dan, here to help you.
Okay, come on, come on. Come along, come along.
It's cold outside. Yes, I know. Here it is, over here. Okay. Thank you.
I need this. I need this. No, I don't need this. Yes, definitely this. And the wrench and the little tweezer. I need to measure where the thing. And hammer it. And finally this. Whatever this is. That's all I need to fix this TV. Gonna be on soon, please hurry up.
I'm going as fast as I can.
Thanks, hurry up.
Buddy, a screwdriver. Does this look like a screwdriver to you, idiot? Hand me the real screwdriver. Good. Hand me the wrench. That's good. Big Dan. Just need that hammer. Have to know what a hammer is. It's easy. There. Your pliers. Your wire cutters. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry, sir, but your TV is broken.
No. You know, I should probably get a new one anyway. It was about 3 years old.
Whatever you say.
Oh my God. Oh, no.
Sir, wait! Sir! All right! I need to tell you what happened! Oh God, I need to come. What are you gonna leave? Wait!
Your cord, it wasn't plugged in. That's why your TV. Okay. Yeah. Oh, but you'll need to pay me. How much? 30 million. 30,000. Fine, okay.
Not be Monopoly. No Monopoly money.
But I like Monopoly money. It's not a real currency. Is that a bird?